Welcome to the garage. Today I'm going to install some 12-volt semaphores in my 54 Beetle. Love that sound. The original semaphores have seen better days and definitely need a rebuild. So it's just one screw and two wires. You're going to need a couple of different size flatheads and one Phillips head. So first I undo the wires and then the big screw at the bottom. So these are the new 12-volt semaphores from Käfer. And I got these flashing LED bulbs as well. Usually I only use original parts, but this is definitely going to increase the visibility and the safety of the car. As you can see, they're almost exactly the same as the original parts. I'll put a link in the description of where I got these. So just take your Phillips head and undo this one screw. And then your lens just pops right out. This bit can be a little bit fiddly. Coffee time. Just be gentle when putting the semaphore into place. And then slide it up so it catches on the little latch. And then tighten up the large screw at the bottom. And then connect the two wires. This is a new old stock switch. As you can see, nice and tight. There's 3 wires on the back of the switch, one to each semaphore and one that goes to power. I connect each wire as I disconnect it, just to make it easy to remember which one goes where. Here's my original switch, very floppy from 7 years of use. So let's just tighten up these terminals and give it a test. Perfect. Now let's try the other side. Beautiful. Now we're going to install the bracket. There's 2 screws that hold the switch inside the bracket. Then you attach the strap. It's just 2 screws holding it in. Wrap the strap around the steering column. And now for the finishing touch. Let's try that one more time. Perfect. Hope you enjoyed our time together today. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.